guys, so today I want to show you the issues that I found in MoviePy. This is a weird issues. I didn't expect this one at all. So for the sake to show you the issue and for simplicity, I actually get the code from the Medium. So this code will actually create a beauty text with some movement on it, and it will create 4 different kind of animations. Okay, so let's change this beauty into what is Python, and then let's see what is happening. You will be surprised with the output. Is it because of the is word? Is it a reserved keywords? That's why it's conflicting. MoviePy is confused. Okay, so if I change the is to OS, then it displays everything correctly, no missing letter. So it is probably because of the is. Let's try more experiments. So I changed the word Python into tiger because I want to know if it's because of the is, right? Okay, so it's not because of the word is. So which letter that exists between is and tiger? It's the I. Is it because the I letter? Okay, another experiment. Let's go back to Python and remove the Y with I. Yeah, okay. So the I letter actually causing it back to the previous weird bug. Okay, after all of this experiment, I decided just to list all of the alphabet that we have from A to Z and then see its behavior. I should have done it in the beginning, but yeah. Okay, they are missing letters. This is what we expected because of the I letter. So now let's remove the I and then hold. Oh, no, it's not. So there is another letter that causing it. Is it because I is a thin letter or there is a dot on it? What is the next possibility? J, because J has a dot and is thin as well. Let's try to remove it. And oh, wow. Okay, but the A is missing. Maybe A is missing because let me just reduce the font. Maybe it doesn't fit. Okay. Oh yeah, so it's because of the I and the J, because of the dot or because it's thin. Oh, but if it's because of the thin, then L is also thin, so it doesn't make any sense. There must be something else. So if you know, please put a comment. And for now I'm stuck and I want to take a break, and then after that I will continue if I want to. Okay, anyway, see you in the next video and I hope I can find the answer of it. Please like and subscribe so you can get any update from me about MoviePy, Python, whatever it is. Bye.